Hey guys, Google just dropped the Google Pixel 8 with the biggest upgrade. So here are 5 of new features of the Google Pixel 8. The Pixel 8 and 8 Pro will get 7 years of operating system update and feature drop. It's not a 7 years of security updates, it's 7 years of OS update, which means the Pixel 8 series will be get Android update unit in 2030. Magic Editor is a new generative AI editing tools to remap your photos. Now you can move the object and also the resizing, make your pics to as you expected, and also remove unwanted object too. So that's why Magic Editor is my favorite features. Next one is Audio Magic Eraser. The new Audio Magic Editor is big upgrade I think. So now you can easily remove unwanted background sound from your videos and make the sound way better. Best Tech. Best Tech is the also a cool feature on the Google Pixel 8 series which allow you to change the face after you take the picture. Basically how it works is when you take a picture, the phone is automatically click a series of picture and select the best part from each picture. Brighter display. Google Pixel 8 comes with 2000 peak brightness display with 120Hz refresh rate. And the last one, bonus tips. Bigger battery and fast charging. The phone comes with 4575 mAh battery and support 27-watt fast charging. By the way, I am already making Google Pixel 8 Pro top 15 feature. Check this video and take care. Allah Hafiz.